A fee handling company how utilized to be belonging by King Banking of Scotland has been sold out in a transactions cost $43 bn, £32 bn. WorldPay has been purchased by Florida-based Loyalty Domestic Data Services, FIS, for $35 bn in cash money and shares, Advantage WorldPay's obligation. Customers of WorldPay involve Topshop, Clark's, Rainy Season, Accessorize, and repeated pub and small restaurant chains. FIS sells fee services and as well software program for the financial production. WorldPay was sold out by RBS in 2010 as a state of the banking's rescue next the finance meltdown. With later WorldPay's importance has rising sharply and now matches the stockpile marketplace importance of its ex-proprietor RBS. Consumer demand for WorldPay services has surged as shopping are with their cards more than each to buy means on the internet, or with cards in shops. FIS told Purchase WorldPay would assist its sale more than services to banks and some finance firms. The business's head execution Gary Norcross told Scope Matters in our quickly change production. The growth of finance technique firms, named as fintech, has seen technique firms take on banks in a racing for monitoring of the digital payments marketplace. The requirement to go on to modernize both of the technique and annex layers, and go on to innovate so our customers can go on to be disruptors, will be essential for us, Mr. Norcross said. Investors in a urge on Monday. Neil Wilson, told the transactions signifies the really fast change in the payments production and the sum of invest the business community requirement. He expects more than deals in the segment as companies see to get greater. Gareth Wilson, Accenture's World Payments head, told the transactions was enormous for the production, in special since it puts a cost on the anticipated importance of destruction in the production. The pattern of the production is mature for changing, and payments is the battlefield for new operation, he told. On to Accenture. In 2017 in Europe, 20% of all 1,400 finance services firms were deliberate to be brand new, since they had begun following 2005. The UK has seen an enormous growth in fintech, since it has led the way in liberalising the banking business production. Down there are now 2.5 times more than finance services companies in Britain rather than in 2005, and 91% of these firms offer payments services. WorldPay at first begun in 1989 as Electric Payments Framework Streamlined. It was belonging by NatWest Banking, that was later purchased by RBS in 2002. Streamlined was renamed as RBS WorldPay. RBS advanced the facility to some countries, consisting the US and the Netherlands. In 2009 the Europe Committee told how RBS would include to sale WorldPay and some business community, as a state of appreciative country aid to the banking. The following year, WorldPay was sold out to individual justice firms Occurrence World and Bain Equity for £2 bn, in RBS keeping a 20% share. In 2013, RBS sold out off its left share. WorldPay went on to sell shares on the London Stockpile exchanging in 2015. In January 2018, U.S. payments handling technique company Vantiv purchased WorldPay for $. Vantiv renamed the combination firms WorldPay.